Hi everyone, and in this video I will show you that how you can fix battle.net connection error or the server issues. Guys, to fix this problem, first go to your Windows search and just type here the ncpa.cpl. Guys, once you type this command will appear on the top. So just open up this. Guys, once this network connection page was open, now here just look for your connection, Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. So make a right click on your connection and go to its properties. Guys, here simply scroll down and you'll see the internet protocol version 6. So just uncheck this. After that, just highlight the internet protocol version 4, then just go to its properties, then just click on the use following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS just type 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate just type 1.0.0.1. After that, just open up the battle.net and see your connection problem is fixed or not. If not, then just remove these DNS server and you just need to use the Google DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate just type the 8.8.4.4.4, and once you type this just click on the OK. Now launch the battle.net and this will fix your problem definitely. And that's how you can fix the battle.net connection problem. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.